Good morning, 4th graders and parents. Here's what I have for you today for Wednesday, October 21st. So morning meeting, you have a question here to answer. You've done this before, so I'm not going to go too in-depth into it. Make sure to write a sentence with capitalization and punctuation. Well, I've noticed we're not quite doing that, so please make sure you do that. Writing, finish your narrative and turn it in. That's nothing new as well. That's right here under narrative writing rubric, so turn it in there. Math, playlist, and house hunters. So I'm going to go through briefly the playlist. Basically on the playlist, get everything done. If it says EduBlogs, don't worry about it. If it says stop, don't worry about it. Just get everything done. And you can. If you get to this part with the house to make a Flipgrid video, that's something that I have here. So if you have not done that, you can just watch the video and try to see if you can make it based on what the video said, like on a piece of paper or something. And instead of doing it on Flipgrid, we're doing it on Seesaw. Now, let's get into House Hunters. So House Hunters is once you are done with your playlist, which many of you are at. So I'm going to explain some things with House Hunters. This will be a good reminder for those that have started and those maybe that haven't. I have all the directions right here, all the steps, on this tab. Okay, so here are the directions right here. These are tabs. Each thing here is a tab, and it tells you what to do. So you're going to click one of these websites, you're going to type in Fargo, you're going to look for houses. So type in FARGO. You can see that it comes up with Fargo. I hit search. And you look for a house you like. So let's say I like this house. Click on it. And what you're going to do is go to the Houses tab. You're going to write why you like the house and then square footage and price. Now let me show you a trick here. The trick is you can just highlight square footage, go to Control C, SQ feet, and then square footage. And then you can just go Control V for paste. And there it is, and you can do the same thing with the price. Some other things you're going to do, this tab really not much to do there. So if you go to here, what you're going to do down here in the orange is you're going to order the houses from the least to greatest of the square footage, and you write the house number there and the square footage there, and you can do that copy paste. You do the same thing here with the cost, order it from least to greatest. Here you compare the costs, so you put in two of the house's prices and put the symbol that compares them, so it's a number sentence there. And right here, place value questions. You're going to look at the cost of house 1 and house 2, type it in here, and you're going to answer these questions. Which digit is in the thousands place? Which digit is in the tens place? And so on. And it says type its value. Think about what would that be if it was with arrow cards. All this stuff where it says REF, just ignore. You're not going to do anything with that. If you have questions, please let me know, but I would like this done by Monday. Have a great day.